A boring old doorknob? What if you had a doorknob that used codes and your fingerprint? Let's look at this product. Welcome back to Get Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the GHome Smart Lever Lock One Grip to unlock it all doorknob. This is a 4-in-1 doorknob. It's smart, it does codes, it has a key, it also does fingerprints. It's great. But as you know, in every episode of Get Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Get Tech Cheap. Let's take a look at the GHome Smart Lever Lock right here. This is a 4-in-1 smart doorknob. Packaging on it looks really nice. Looks very clean and sleek. Lots of information on it for you to go over. Looks great. Let's open it up. First thing you see in the box is the user manual right here for the KH10 doorknob. Looks like it is going to have all the information you need for setting the app up and just everything that goes into installing it. So super important. Looks like we got part of the guide menu here, which is going to help you if you do have to drill new holes or anything like that. But most of you do not have to do that. You can just install it on what you got. Right here we have a little washer, and then what we also need for the inside of the door. So this is what you'll see inside of your house or inside the room. Looks very nice. It's really cool that it comes with this little gasket seal here. Very cool. Looks like we got a couple little tools here, as well as a USB-C to USB-A cable, so that's super nice. Got a couple extra screws in here as well. We have some door keys, so that's awesome. Like I said, it's 4-in-1, so you're going to have a bunch of options, and one of them being to use the key. All the parts you'll need for the interlocking system right here, and don't worry, it's not blue. This is just a little tape right there. And we've got the screws included as well, so very, very nice. And really what you want to see right here, this is the outer facing doorknob, so it's going to have the fingerprint scanner. You can use the app on it, you can also do the pin codes on it, and you can use a key on it as well. So very, very cool, very nice. This thing feels great. It is not plastic, guys, this is metal, so very nice. But let's go ahead and get it installed and try it out. This is one of GHome's newest product, the 4-in-1 Smart Lever Lock. Doorknob KH10. Fast fingerprint unlock. It's got a 0.2 second recognition with AI self-learning for higher accuracy. No more searching for keys. Your finger is the key. 4-way secure access, up to 50 fingerprints, 20 passcodes, Bluetooth app control, plus the 2 backup keys, so you can never get locked out again. And with the smart auto lock feature, you can set the auto lock from 10 seconds to 30 minutes and the door will lock itself every time. No more, did I lock the door? Because guess what? The door locked itself. DIY install in 15 minutes. Because it fits 99% of US doors, that's left, right, in and out. No locksmith required. Super simple. Follow the instructions, set the doorknob up, and guess what? It works. Long battery life of up to 8 months on 4 AAA batteries. You'll also get low battery alerts plus emergency USB-C power port if you need it. And with reliable protection, you'll get alerts after every multiple failed attempt. Anti-card prying design also keeps your door fully secured, so nobody's going to show up with a little card and push that in your door and open it. You're good, you're safe. And you can buy with confidence, so you get a 30-day money-back guarantee, 1 year of warranty, and a real human being to give you support if you need it. And don't forget, you can do temporary codes, so let's say you have someone coming by to take care of your pets or a maid. You can set up a temporary code access for them also through the app. Super simple, set the code up, save it, and you can set the expiration date. Super nice. And remember, you can also set up codes for people, so it's pretty simple. Just go into member management, choose the family member, and you can set up a new code for them or just customize an old code that you already set up. So now you can use the code to get through the door. GHome, you're doing everything right. This new doorknob is awesome. I've got to say, guys, great job. This is our first time working with GHome, and this thing is just great. A lot of people use the deadbolt system, but because this thing has a smart lever in it, it just makes it to where you can't use a credit card to open your door or anything. It's smart. So we gotta give a huge shout to GHome for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host, Matthew, and you've been watching Get Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.